Hi. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Kali interface. Here is the Kali login interface. The default username is Kali. And the default password also is Kali. As you see, here is Kali desktop. On the top right, this is the power button. As you see, you simply can log out, restart, shut down, hibernate, or switch user, exactly like in Windows. Suspend is locking and pausing, so let's try it. As you see here, Kali is just completely paused. To unpause it, just press the space button on your keyboard. Now enter the default username and password. It is unlocked now. Again, we press on the power button. We see here hybrid sleep. It puts your Kali in sleep mode, but it doesn't work properly on the VirtualBox. However, there is an alternative feature that VirtualBox provides. So we click on the cross button of the window for Kali here. We just select Save the Machine State, then click on OK. It will close our Kali and save the current progress. For security, we always should lock your Kali, then use the Save the Machine State feature. Because we closed it without we locked it. Once we open Kali again, it will open while it is unlocked. Okay? We run our Kali again. See, it is open with the same state. That is very cool, really. We see here, this checkbox. Sometimes, it is important to save the current session, because if we wanted to shut down our Kali, and we need the same applications and tools to run for us again automatically in the next session, we simply need to check this checkbox before we click shutdown. Okay? This is the lock button. We click on it, and Kali is locked for us. We log again. From this button, we can set Kali with presentation mode. So, the screen will not sleep if there is no activity. This is the notification button. This is the network button, and it says here, it is wired connection, as if there is a virtual LAN wire plugged in our virtual machine, from our host machine network card, to make our Kali connected to the internet. We see here, this is Kazam program for screen recording. This is terminal, the mother of all tools on Kali. This is a button that allows us to have quick access to some folders. This is the desktop button. Once we click on it, it will minimize all other windows and applications. Here is the button that includes all the tools installed on Kali. Let's open a folder. Now, we see folders, and inside of those folders, we can see other folders, or files. We can simply create, delete, copy and move, like what we can do on Windows. However, we can do all of that much quicker through the terminal on Kali.